my trusty
Flint Beastwood spotted in the Legion mid lane. Sir Bensington spotted in the Legion top lane.
Trusty yes. I'll make them. I am.
Chronos killed Moraxus. Moraxus killed Chronos.
She'll make them green black. Shouldn't we ask for direction? Shouldn't we ask for directions? My trusty axe. I'll make them green black.
Witchslayer spotted in the Legion top lane.
My axes. It'll cost them an army away. Insufficient access.
Flint Beastwood is missing from the Legion mid lane. Chronos killed Moraxus.
I will axe my I'll make them green black. Moraxus. Mince. Who hit my axes?
Invisibility.
I am Iron.
Chronos killed Moraxus is missing from the Hellborn bot lane.
I'll make them green black. I'll make them green black. My trusty axe.
Moraxus killed Chronos.
I'll make them green black. With my trusty axe. Moraxus. It'll cost them an arm and a leg. Who did my axes?
Arachne killed Flint Beastwood. Arachne killed Witchslayer. Puppet Master.
I'll make them green black. It'll cost them an arm and a leg.
Solstice killed Moraxus.
Iron Chest.
Killed the Bensington. The Legion bot jungle. Flint Beastwood killed the Brooding Jester.
I'll make them green black.
The Bensington spotted in the Legion. Killed the Bensington. Moraxus killed the
My trusty axe.
The Bensington spotted in the Legion bot jungle. The Legion bot jungle. Puppet Master killed the Bensington. Killed the Bensington.
With my trusty axe. Shouldn't we ask for direction? Moraxus. I'll clasp them an arm and a leg.
Opponent's killed. Puppet master. Your tower is taking damage. Your tower has been destroyed. One of your structures has been destroyed.
I'll axe my way through. Shouldn't we axe for directions? I am Ironshell. I'll make them breed blacks with my trusty axe. I'll axe my way